Thank you for liking, subscribing, and showering your love. We are growing every day. Although it's a small achievement every day, but it matters a lot for me. So do keep liking, subscribing, and showering your love. Today we are going to solve rounding the decimals. In here, we are going to see it's asking first and foremost, round each decimal to the nearest whole number. Okay, when we are talking about the whole number, we are going to be careful that this time I'm going to figure out my this number which is before decimal, right? Therefore, the rule is I look at my this number. Now, the key is 0 to 5, sorry, 0 to 4 is my lower band, okay? And 5 to 9 is my higher band. What do I mean by lower band, higher band? Lower band means if the number is till 4, okay? We round it to the nearest lower number. If the number is from 5, we round it to the highest number. Okay, so let me show you with this example, and we keep this key in mind: 0 to 4 and 5 to 9. Okay, now, so this is 0.7, and we see it goes in the higher band. Therefore, I will just add 1 to the 6. Okay, look at the number I want to check on, and then I will go and add the number or let the number be the way it is. So 6 plus 1 is 7, and to the nearest whole I make it as a 7. Let's go to the second example. Look at the number that I want to entertain. I'll go to the next number that I see. My this number falls in the lower band, hence I will not add anything. Okay, so it stays 9. Again, let's go to the third example. The third example says 7.5. So my number I see next is 5, which is on a higher band. Therefore, I add 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. Again, as I'm rounding to the nearest whole number, therefore, what I will do is I will figure out the number next to the whole number. Okay, the number next to the whole number is 6, which is on a higher band. Let me add 1 to the whole number, therefore it becomes 5. Okay, now second question says round each decimal to the nearest tenth. Now I am entertaining my tenth here. Okay, so since I have to determine my tenth position, what I will do is I will look at the next position to tenth, right? Therefore, I will say the number is on a lower band. I will not add anything. Therefore, it stays 2.3. Second question, 3.46. I will look at the number next to the 10th, which is 6, and it's on a higher band. Let me add 1. Therefore, 3.5. Let's go ahead, my friends. Now, it's 1 that I have to entertain, but who's going to gauge? Number 9. So, therefore, I will add 1 to my 1. So, 1 plus 1 is 2, hence the number becomes 6.2. My next number is 4.35. In my 4.35, since I have to determine the position for 3, my 5 is on a higher band. Let me add 1 to my 3. Therefore, 4.4 is my answer. Let's go to the next question. The next question says, round the measurement on these shapes to the nearest whole number. Use your rounded measurements to estimate the perimeters of the shape. Therefore, now we know that my rectangle has opposite sides equal, right? We know the property of the rectangle, opposite sides are equal, okay? Therefore, this will also be 4.2 centimeter and this will be 1.7 centimeter, all right? Now, use your rounded measurements to estimate the perimeters of the shape. Let me determine again. My number to the whole is the lowest band, therefore I will not add and let it be 4. Okay, therefore this stays 4. My 1.7 falls on a higher band, therefore I add 1, so this stays 2. So 4 plus 4 is 8, 2 plus 2 is 4. So 8 plus 4 is 12. Therefore, this becomes approximately 12 centimeters. Since I'm doing an approximation, this sign is approximately. Next is 5.3. I know that my 5.3, my 3 is my lower band. That's why I don't add anything. So 5 plus 5, 2.8, my 8 is on a higher band. Therefore, 2 plus 1 will become 3 plus 3, right? Therefore, I will have 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 3 is 13 centimeter. Kindly do not forget to write the values. They are of prime importance when we are practicing the measurements, maybe length, maybe meter, maybe millimeter. So kindly look into the question, what measurement has been given, and the same thing you write in your answer. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for staying tuned till end. See you one other time. Till then, keep liking, keep subscribing. Every like, every subscribe matters.